Okay, good morning students. Today I am going to discuss about English 1 chapter 5, A Visitor from Fairyland. Peter, what are you going to do, Amina? Let's tell each other about some fairy tales. But I have an headache, Peter. Get me some water. I can give medicine for your headache. So Peter is asking to Amina, what are you going to do? Let's tell each other some fairy tale. Let us tell some story. But I have a headache. That I am having a headache. I don't want to tell any fairy tale. Please give me some water. So he went inside and come back with water and a stripe of tablet. Take this medicine. She suddenly sits on the sofa and lie down. What to do now? Peter feel helpless. After taking the medicine, she became very weak. Peter, don't worry. She just fainted. Let her rest for some time. Let her sleep for some time. She will be okay. Then Peter told, fairy told, please don't worry. She just fainted. Then one fairy came. Fairy, is coming with wings. He's coming and telling that don't worry, let her rest sometime. Peter, who are you? Please tell us how you came here. Who are you and how you came here? I have come from fairyland who help good people, especially children. How do you know my name? Peter was asking to the fairy how he know his name. I know everything. I have such power and you don't have. I will visit earth along with all my companions. So I am visiting all around the earth with all my companions. We help good people, especially children. How do you know my name? So, but Namai, when he was asking to the fairy how you know my name, then he told that the fairy told that she came from fairyland and she have some powers that Peter and Amina does not have. I used to visit earth along with my companion, but now my companion do not feel like coming to the earth. Why? Peter is asking why. Why your companion do not feel for coming to the earth? We like meadows and green valley. We like meadows, green land everywhere. Trees should be there, flowers should be there. But now men have become thoughtless. He is destroying all the beauty of the earth. But you see our city, how can we live in the place where there are no roads and cars? So you see, if roads, Peter is asking to the fairies, okay, you like fairyland or you like green land, but if you have no roads and cars, how you will live in the places? Fairy, cities are good, but you have no right to destroy nature. City is good, but destroying nature is very bad. If you are unkind to nature, nature will turn you unkind to you. If you are unkind to nature, if you kill the animal, if you kill the trees, if you cut the trees and you destroy the greenery of the earth, then nature will surely destroy you. Yes, I will. Would you please cure Amina? Peter is asking. You can please cure her. Then fairy told, yes, I will cure her. Fairy touches with her hand in Amina's head and Amina opened her eyes. Do you know what happened to Amina? Fairy was asking. Peter told that no, I don't know. Your house is nearby a busy street. Continuously intake of polluted air. You are inhaling carbon monoxide. You are taking bad oxygen. That's why she had a headache. But Peter, you also have done a wrong thing. You have given her a tablet. It was not for children. Doctor had given you for your mother. That is for adult. But you have given to her without anybody's permission. Peter told, I am sorry. I did it in a haste. So he told, I did it in a hurry. So I am very sorry for that. Peter, you are so kind, let us be friends. So let us be friends, you are so much kind. Fairy told, don't do this again. Always take medicine with direction from your elders. You are so kind, let us be friends. You are all right, that's all right, but we won't like to come to city. Okay, we might be friends, but I don't like to come to this city again. Cities will turn us into fines. What is fines? Fines what? What is the meaning? In the book it is given. What is find? It is devil. That we are fairy and we will turn to find. We only came to help good children who are in trouble. My friends are living near the brooks that have clear and pure water. My friends are living near the water. You are welcome, Amina. Have chocolate. My dear children, when you grow up, you should not cut trees. Don't kill animals. Don't hurt any creature on the earth. Let the earth be green and beautiful. Yes, fairy, we will keep it in our mind, this thing, and we will try our best to do something for the earth. But will you take us one day to the fairyland? We have only heard about it in the story. Then fairy told, no, but I will visit you again. Bye bye. I cannot take you to the fairyland, but I will come here again. So bye bye. So this was the story about the fairyland, a visitor from fairyland. So fairy told that one word, new word, that is find. F-I-E-N-D means devil. When fairy will come to the city, they don't like the city. So fairy is looking something like this. They have wings and have special powers. Fairy is like this. When they will come and remain in the city, they will become devil. So this is the new word you have got in the chapter find. Okay, clear? So all of you have understood, I hope. So learn nicely. Okay, thank you.